Yeah. Stand up and see. Yeah.
Break to reload.
Yeah. Well, there's one all the way over there.
This one's gonna be a big one.
I'm scared. Whoa.
It wasn't that big.
Yeah. It was just like a. They sure do love their Independence Day.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure everybody does.
250 years.
250 years?
Yep, that's how old America is. 250 years.
Wow.
Big one over there. I might be reloading over on that side.
Yeah.
Smell it?
Yes, I will get it.
Smell firecrackers?
That's
Oh, good old smell of firecrackers.
That's the smell of 4th of July. My light over there is crazy.
I think it wanted to join in the...
Wow. Oops, wrong button. I keep hitting the wrong button because I keep like wanting to make like little
It's
clips.
still falling down.
Yes. Wow.
Those ones are too far to even
Yeah, I
try to
wish.
get them. They're like 3-4 blocks that way.
Yeah.
Covered by all the trees, so best to stay on this side right here.
Mhm.
Good thing. Whoa.
Yes, I like that one. I keep them going. I love those big ones.
Hit a tree. It's like whistling.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the ducks don't care.
Yep, they just over there. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a big one, but probably not.
No, those are the whistle ones. The whoosh. You know the saying. They do bigger in Texas.
Yeah,
Things
they
bigger
sure
in
do.
Texas.
Especially that one. I'm like, like.
Yep.
I love those ones. I love the big loud ones. They're just yes.
I remember the ones we used to see in Arizona. Not as much as these ones, but
Oh yeah.
they did more of the zingers instead of the big old ones.
Yes, oh my goodness.
Keep doing those ones. Those are cool.
Yes. Where's yours?
That's all zing.
Yeah. Yeah, but in the future people can watch like a what do you call it? Like a pass.
Rewatch.
Huh?
Like a rewatch.
Yeah.
Should get one of these.
I'm fine with my little thingies.
That's gonna be a good one.
Come on.